Marami naman akong likes, marami naman akong views, pero bakit wala pa rin akong benta? Well, here's the truth, because views don't equal sales. By the way, hi, I'm Tina, Head of Digital Marketing dito sa Pereg University. And our mission is to guide beginners na makapagsimula sa kanilang digital product business. And for today, bibigyan kita ng 4 tips para magkaroon ka na ng sales. Kasi kung gusto mo makabenta online, kailangan intentional yung strategy mo. So, syempre, wag lang dapat nakafocus sa features na maganda yung gawa mo, na aesthetic yung gawa mo. Dapat ipakita mo rin kung gaano siya ka-helpful sa taong bibili neto. So, second, pwede kang mag-create ng urgency. You can make it limited time offer, bonuses, or discount. Third, use testimonials or demo. Kahit wala pang gumagamit niyan or kahit ikaw pa lang gumagamit niyan, pwede mo nang i-share yung experience mo because people trust real result. And 4, promote daily. So, dito hindi mo naman kailangan mag-power posting. Ang kailangan mo, ipakita yung value ng product mo. I know that the first sale is the hardest, pero once na nagawa mo na yan, sunod-sunod na yan. So, that's it for today. Follow Pereg University for more beginner-friendly selling strategy.